Welcome back to the Technical Binary Trading channel. I am sharing a free support and resistance indicator which will be installed on MT4. Many people get confused on how to draw support and resistance lines in IQ option. So this is especially for those people. This video has 3 segments. So in the first segment, we will understand the working of this indicator and how to take trade according to this indicator. In the second part, I will show you how to install on the MT4, and in the last part I will show you how to take trade on this indicator with my own strategy and without any loss. So let's look at the indicator. On the chart, support and resistance lines are clearly visible, and on the resistance line you can see the white arrow, which means the candle has touched the temporary or verified resistance level. The green arrow will allow you to take down trade. Same case on the support line. White arrow will indicate that the candlestick has touched the support line, and red arrow will tell you to open up trade. You can clearly see that there are multiple trading signals shown on the chart in form of red and green arrows. Let me show you with the help of crosshair. Here you can see the white arrow appears when the stochastic has changed the color from red to green, which means stochastic line has crossed the signal line and support line is formed. Whereas here white arrow appear when the green line is converted to red and resistance line has been touched. Now let's look at the stochastic line indication. Green portion means that green trend is bullish, whereas red line indicates that the trend is bearish. Let's look at some of arrows that are clear indication of down trade, and here indication for the up trade. Let's look at some of the arrows, and here indication is for an up trade. The dotted line on the stochastic indicator is the signal line. Whenever an arrow appears, you will be notified. Now let's move to the second part of the video, that how to take trade on support and resistance level and on the arrows. See, the stochastic indicator has changed color to red, and red candles are approaching towards the resistance line, and you can see the last arrow appeared on the same level. I will take an up trade. I took an early entry, however, you should wait for the clear signal. Oh, so here is the profit from our first trade. And an arrow has appeared, so I will take another trade against the signal. Here is second win against the signal. On this chart, you can see the candles are touching the verified resistance line. I will take a down trade. I am showing you different methods of trading on this indicator, but you should wait for the proper signals. I would recommend you to practice it on the demo account. So when you get familiar of this indicator, you can apply it on the live account. So this is our third clear win. Let's see how to install this indicator. Click the open data folder, and here is the MT4 data folder. Now open the indicator folder and open the template folder of MT4 and template folder of the support and resistance indicator. Copy the file of the indicator to MT4 template. Now go back and open the MLQ4 folder and then indicator folder of MT4 and copy the given indicators to this folder. Now our indicators and template is ready to apply. Now click the navigator button and refresh the indicators. Open the chart and click template button to apply support and resistance template. Now in the last part, I will apply the indicator with my own 1 minute strategy. This is just to show you how to earn profit. You can see that I have applied 0.7% zigzag indicator on 1 minute candle chart, and same chart is opened on MT4 with support and resistance indicator. You have seen that I have won my first downward trade because arrows were clearly visible and stochastic was red. Now the stochastic is on the oversold area and about to cross the signal dotted line. In IQ option, green zigzag line has appeared. Therefore, it's double confirmation to take up trade without an arrow. I would like to recommend you to subscribe this channel. You will learn lots of secret binary strategies and indicators. There are many indicators, but how to use the indicator is important. So another clear win. Let's take our last trade. You can see all conditions are fulfilled. Resistance line, red candles, red stochastic and orange zigzag. So I will take a down trade. So another clear win. See you next time. Until then, goodbye.